That is my fresh ginger and my lemon. A very big thank you to all of you for your continuous effortless support towards my channel. I say may God bless you, all my viewers all over the world. I thank you all. I appreciate every one of you. I'm gonna, for your love, be showing you a very healthy and nutritious drink using all natural ingredients that contains healthy minerals, vitamins, antitoxidant, vitamins, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that will help you get rid of toxic inflammation, diseases, prevent some conditions, and enable you stay healthy and active in your sex life and general well-being. I got my fresh ginger root, then I got my oranges, my lemon and lime. So today I'm gonna be boiling them and show you guys. This drink is very effective for men who are having erection problem, who are having, who are not enjoying their sex life, who their sex life has gone down the drain, they are struggling. This is the drink for you. Watch this video from the beginning to the end and make this drink for yourself or your wife with ginger. Ginger is packed full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon, the same thing, contains vitamin C and a lot of health benefits. Cardamom tea treats anxiety and nausea. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Cardamom tea, people who are suffering from erectile dysfunction issues should look no further, as this queen of spice called cardamom that is probably in your wife's kitchen is sure to help you solve your erection problem. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that makes it an excellent solution to some of the most common health issues surrounding men. It aids and promotes sexual desires in men. Viagra. Instead of you drinking Viagra, drink this natural Viagra that you know what you are drinking of. They are all natural. Cardamom acts as a stimulant with a positive effect on sexual health performance. Applying even the oil, if you can buy the oil on eBay, every night before 1 hour before you go to bed, apply increase blood flow and circulation. Okay guys, in order to maintain an erection, the blood vessel present in the male genital need to be resilient, so the blood can flow south in a sweet manner. Erectile dysfunction means that those vessels boost of antioxidant and the compound phenol comes into play. It uplifts sexual response and helps in treating impotency. Drinking this tea, both of you, both partners, both husband and wife, will get both partner in the right mood. And because it endorses one's sexual drive, it lets you last longer. It will lead you last longer, harder, bigger. You will go 40 seconds, not 40. You will go 40 minutes, not 40 seconds this time. So it's for both of you to drink this drink as well, not only for the man. Okay, guys, that is my fresh ginger and my lemon. I'm gonna put the saucepan on, then I'm gonna tip in my boiling water in there. to boil my cardamom tea. So now I'm gonna put the cardamom in there. For a whole day, take a teaspoon, full teaspoon, and put the cardamom in there. That is the cardamom. So I'm gonna grate the ginger. Put my sliced orange in there. This is sliced orange and my sliced lemon, just to garnish it. And that is my squeezed lemon juice. Okay, just squeeze my lemon juice out there. Okay, see it? So the drink is ready. I'm gonna pour it in there now. Love this. I'm gonna put in the orange in there. Put the lime, the chopped lime in there as well. Let it infuse. You drink this 30 minutes before you go to bed. 1 glass a day like this for each of you. Okay? That is my cardamom tea. Lemon and ginger tea is ready. Garnish with some orange. Look at it. Look at it. It's ready. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in there as well. Okay? And lemon juice goes in there. This is a very powerful drink. Any man that is not erecting, any man that has low sperm count, that is not able to pregnant woman, my dear, drink this one every day, 1 glass a day. Either in the morning or before you go to bed, an hour to 30 minutes before you go to bed. Keep drinking it. It will work for you. You will see the change in your body. You will see how your female genital will be raising, will be working, will be wanting the thing all the time, will be doing the job perfectly. You know, even the woman as well. It's for both couples.